Enworld is about a fresh beginning.
Today, we begin an exciting journey towards financial success.
This company will be the greatest, grandest, boldest, biggest network marketing company ever to be established in the history of the Philippines.
Pag nag-enrolled ho kayo, you will become a world-class entrepreneur. This will separate the average network marketers from the masters.
Malinis na hangarin, magandang intensyon, mabuting pamunuan, tapat na pagserbisyo sa mga tao, at walang humpay na pagtatrabaho na hindi kami titigil hanggat hindi kayo umaaseso!
This is the right company. We have the right system.
Enworld is bound for greatness! Ilang buhay ang tao na mababago dahil sa kumpanyang to. Hindi lang po ako yun, tayo lahat yun! We create history!
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, are you ready?
This is it!
Today is our first day.
The long wait is over.
As your president and CEO and your chairman as well, I will put all my resources here until such time na halos lahat sa inyo nakakagaang na sa buhay. You are my responsibility. You are my obligation. You are now my family. I will take care of this company and bring this to the greatest height of success that no MLM company in the past has ever reached. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Enworld.